What's going on, guys? It's your favorite Eagle Owl here. We got a brand new reaction for you guys today to Vicious Rain Shadow Dancer. Cool. Brand new band for myself. It's from Horizon Empire. Those guys have been sending me some stuff, and I'm like, yo, let's check it out. So without further ado, let's go check out what this band is all about. Curious on what this is, but yeah, let's check this out.
Maybe one day we'll find each other. Shadow dancer. Shadow dancer.
Honestly, gives me erra.
Will you come and dance with me? Your light shines in colors. Illuminates my dreams. I'll sweet flower. I'm sorry to keep you awake.
I like that they put like the lyrics on the back. That's nice.
Your love souls come back. With joy and pain. We are still.
Is this a one take? Alright, we got clean. Video. That's kind of cool. For a metal band? Not bad. You don't typically see that. You see it for pop and indie artists, but pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's cheaper, of course, too, for them to do that too. Honestly. It's like the two camera. That's it. Videographer is probably like, let's go, one take. And also, amounts of shots that they had to probably like a lot. Those guys. Ooh, electronics. Okay, this is good. Ooh! Ooh! Where's... Okay. Get it down, guys. Okay. Chorus. Piano going. Okay, this will be good. Honestly, guys, you made a banger. You guys made a good banger. Very good banger. Not bad, guys. Okay. You guys made you made a good one. You made a really good one. Damn. Vicious Rain. I like it. I like it. Guys, made a new fan. I think I've become a new fan. You guys, not bad. Not bad. I'll check out your guys' other stuff because this is decent. Like, it gives me the similar vibes as Erra. If you guys know Erra, they're a great prog metal core band. Honestly, it gives me the same kind of vibes as that direction. So literally, you guys are doing God's work. That's all I can say. Check out these guys if you guys haven't already. Vicious Rain, Shadow Dancer. That's about it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below of this brand new song. That's about it, guys. Talk guys next one, and peace out. And by the way, love the one take video that you guys did. Videographer, whoever you went, pretty cool. Pretty cool.